If you're new to beekeeping, I have a tip for you if you're going to be moving a hive. So after you move your hive, you want to have the bees realize that something's changed. So one very easy method is just to take some grass and just stuff it into the entrance. And they will then go ahead and clear that grass out over time. They will actually chew it up and take it out and open up the space. So I've just moved this swarm from further up the hill. So I put some leaves and some grass, and they have a little entrance still, and I have the rest of it closed up. And this way they realize that something's changed, and they will actually do flights now, and they'll spin around in a circle to figure out where they are, so they don't end up going back to the old location and just getting lost. So it's a very easy thing to do. You just take some grass and stuff it into the entrance, and the bees will figure out that something is different, and they'll actually relocate to your apiary. It's as simple as that. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Backyard Bee and Garden. A lot more beekeeping and gardening tips coming up.